Good evening, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Tonight, I'm actually going to redo this video of this 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 Bighorn 5.9 6-speed manual US truck. Actually, this is a follow-up video from the first one that I did. We literally just got it in on from detail. It still needed some seat work done, so on and so forth. But just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. This one I'm going to turn over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. I'll pop the hood on this one because this one does have some extras on it. This is an absolutely gorgeous freaking unicorn. But first, let's get the angles out here. We do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Big reason why we do these videos. But as you're going to see with these angles, you're going to be able to see if there's any dents, dings, major scratches, anything like that. Plus, great time of the day to do the video. The sun isn't blaring. Again, US truck. I believe this was originally all out of Oregon. So Oregon does not use salt on the roads. They use soot. So they are the cream of the crop for the pre-owned trucks. That's why all those guys out in the Midwest, or I should say all you guys out in the Midwest, especially the one owners out of Oregon. Let's get this. But as you can see, the running boards, the flip up tow mirrors, the tinted windows, the aftermarket wheels and tires. And then as you're going to see in here, I mean, no rust. This thing is insanely clean. Let's get the bed here. I'm trying not to back into anything here. So no fifth wheel hitch, or looks like no plates around there. So they weren't really towing heavy with this. Tow pack. And then as you can see, look at that. This thing is insanely clean. Now I do a lot of I've sold a lot of these manual 5.9s over the years, and this is legitimately one of the nicer ones I've seen in a long time. I got it cramped up in front of the building here, so I'm trying to do the best I can here, guys. All right, well, let's just get to the inside here. Pop this open. Get the manufacturer sticker here. You can pause the video, get the information you need off of it. Focus in here. Power windows, power locks, WeatherTech floor mats, power seat. Get the condition of the seats. Third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, you're able. Passenger seat there, and then let me get the very back. Let me unlock this guy here. Widen this back out here for you. Rear slider. Back seats really, are in great condition. You can go back 4 or 5 videos and see the one I did prior. Get some features up front. So aftermarket tow assist, and these aren't worn at all. Steering wheel controls, 6-speed manual unicorn, stock stereo, 4-wheel drive. Up there you have the trip computer, destination to empty, compass, temperature, those kind of things. It looks like my gimbal's about to die. Son of a gun. Oh, it is gonna die here on me. Oh shit, I gotta climb in here. It's a manual. There is a mileage there. Yeah, my gimbal is gonna die. But as you can see, oh, there it goes there. But as you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Try to finish this with my gimbal rattling everywhere here. Pop the hood, turn on some lights. My gimbal dying again. I do apologize, guys. Turn it on one more time. Pop the hood. Gimbal keeps dying. Probably not the best time in the world to do a video walk around. Should have probably charged my gimbal. But as you can see, I mean, this thing is nice. Turn it on one more time before it dies on me one more time. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just reach out, give me a call or a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys. Oop.